This laser tool projects 360 degrees horizontal floor laser line for tiling installation at a 2/5 of an inches distance. With the lifting base, the 360 degrees floor laser can raise from the surface to project over and travel past uneven surfaces or obstructions between 1 inch and 3.15 inches in height. Two vertical lines cross at 90 degrees angles makes the user quickly visualize and finish the square layout. This 360 laser level is a complete tool for covering the floor, wall, ceiling all around the room. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Line switching. Short press the H and V buttons on the keypad to switch the horizontal and vertical laser lines separately. The remote control enables a selection of three 360 degrees laser lines individually at a distance up to 33 feet. In manual mode, when all laser lines are switched off while the indicators are still on, the laser tool will shut off automatically after about 4 minutes of inactivity. The laser line can be temporarily turned off by the remote control when you need to leave for a while. Number 2. Self-leveling mode and manual mode. Self-leveling mode. Once the pendulum is unlocked, the self-leveling mode is enabled. The laser beam will beep as well as the laser beam blink fast when the tool is out of self-leveling range +4 degrees. Manual mode. When the pendulum is locked, the laser tool can be placed for use at any angle. The laser beam will blink every 3 to 5 seconds to remind you it's not self-leveling now. Number 3. Pulse mode. Turn on pulse mode after power on. Short press the power button to turn on the pulse mode. The indicator will light up in blue. Pulse mode extends the working range up to 200 feet. In brighter working conditions when using with Huepar line laser receiver. Keep the pulse mode on when using with a receiver. It is compatible with Huepar line laser receiver only. Number 4. Dual power methods. This laser tool utilizes a large capacity lithium battery which is compatible with the Samsung SBL110 battery. An extra battery is included in the package for backup. Number 5. This laser level can be used at the job site by being plugged in directly when taking out the battery. Users can charge the battery independently with the battery charger. The battery is not being charged in the device when connected to the power adapter with Type-C charging port. The laser level can also be charged by phone, laptop, power bank, car charger, etc. Number 6. Magnetic bracket and mounting thread. The included strong magnetic bracket allows for quick positioning to metal surfaces, helping hang the laser level for wall applications. The 4 fine-tuning knobs on the bracket enable to adjust the left and right position, front and back position within 4.8 inches, and the vertical angle against the wall. The laser tool comes with a 5/8 of an inches 11 female to 1/4 of an inches 20 male thread adapter as well as the 1/4 of an inches 20 mount thread to suit standard tripod or pole mounts. Number 7. Lifting base. This line laser tool generates one 360 degrees horizontal tiling laser on the floor or wall providing all-around leveling coverage for the layout of tile, stone, brick, carpet, and hardwood flooring. With the lifting base, the laser lines raise from the surface to project over and travel past uneven surfaces or obstructions between 1 inch and 3.15 inches height. Number 8. Durable design and kit contents. Overmolded metal laser window withstands tough job site conditions and can be removed and replaced with a screwdriver. The kit comes with a hard carry case, bringing much more convenient to carry and store the laser tool. The kit also includes 2 Li-ion batteries, magnetic bracket, lifting base, remote control, battery charger, Type-C power cord, steel sheet, power adapter, 5/8 of an inches 11 thread adapter, laser target plate, user manual, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it have a vertical plumb dot? Answer. This 500 3DG laser level does not have a vertical plumb dot. It has 2 360 degrees vertical lines, and the 2 vertical lines cross at 90 degrees and form 2 points to the ceiling and floor. Question number 2. Do you like having the laser on the bottom, or do you wish you had one with the horizontal laser on top? Answer. This 500 3DG laser level comes with a 360 degrees horizontal line at the bottom. Question number 3. Is the housing aluminum? Answer. The housing of the line laser tool is ABS and the top covers are metal ones. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.